shosho mfathi ngirose sibona shosho akadiniwe uJacinta uthelwa ngamanzi. All right. Just boneni ngizenza lapha ukuthi amabhasi asuke eThekwini athatha abantu eyobayisa lebiyo verify khona ama documents abo ukuthi nawo benzwa bethi abanye they are claiming that they are refugees, abanye they are claiming ukuthi bama Islam into njengayazi vele ke ngiyaqala ukwenza amagama, but anyway bathathwa abantu bahanjiswa. Ezingenza ukuthi akuphelanga ngisho 2 hours, in 1 hour kwathiwa sekuverify abantu about 300 kwatholakala ukuthi bonke labantu ama documents abo right ashap. Uyedwa kuphela okuthiwa idocument lakhe alikho right. And iziganza kwethu into ecasula kakhulu uJacinta ukuthi 300 in 1 hour. So you think guys zidom ngalo ndlela, and mabenzi research kuningi ukuposta uJacinta even laphana ephethini lapho uthi ukuverify lama document it can even takes weeks for 300 people. So mina nisitshela ukuthi senwa verifyile in just 1 hour. Home Affairs phela siyayazi sonke sihlala sifike Home Affairs ngawe ngempela kuthatha wena nje ngokwakho, do your own theory or what Home Affairs when about 300 ke kuthatha awe lodwa ke ungasho mhlambe khona into ozoyenza still uzolanda something yena ibe 300. So verification yabantu about 300 it can take only 1 hour. Ethi Jacinta yabona uhulumeni le South Africa into shuthi angazi ngendlela oyenza ngayo akano benza izilima noma sebebona ukuthi kahle la they are mad, but bakubeka bona babenze ilimo. Jola uJacinta esho lapha ukuthi so if you say ni verify ama documents aw 300 in just 1 hour, that means umuntu ngomuntu shuthi la bekade verify ngo about 30 seconds kodwa ubhalela uJacinta. So does that make sense to you guys? Do really believe? And another sad thing is ngenza ukuthi abantu ade befaka amabhasi abanye baze babanjwa sibizama ukubaleka cause bayazi ukuthi ama-document abo awekho. Abanye bavela kuma-video besho ukuthi mina ade ngihlale la for 20 khona ushilo ngiyothi for 24 years angina-document, angisho i-ID, anginatwa. But only to find out ukuthi kuthiwa umuntu oyedwa phela umuntu otholakale ene-document engekho right. Yes, there are videos out there abantu beshola bona. So yona kwinti asula kakhulu uJacinta asazothi ufleka nyana sitshela phaka message nothi Paula baka hi mate